Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Gigi. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this blue look right here, and I'm going to be using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill first collab palette that I do enjoy. I know there's a lot of things going behind this palette and, you know, with Jaclyn Hill and Morphe, but personally, I do not know Jaclyn. I can't give my opinion on Jaclyn. I do follow her. I followed her for a very long time. I love her makeup tips, and I personally do love the palette that I received. So if you want to know how I got this makeup look right here, then please keep on watching.
Alright, I already have my eyebrows done here, and I use the e.l.f. Cosmetics Instant Lift Brow Pencil in the color Taupe. And like I said, I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe and Jaclyn herself, and the first shade I'm going to be going in with is called Silk Cream, and I'm going to be applying that all over my eye just to set the primer that I used, which was by Urban Decay. And the next shade I'm going to be using is called Jada, and what I'm going to do with this shade is basically start it at my outer V and slowly blend it in towards my inner corner and also in my crease. Also, I'm going to be using the tape trick just to make sure that my eyeshadow corners are nice and sharp. The next shade I'm going to be using is called Enchanted Green, and it's a beautiful forest green that I'm going to be focusing mainly in my outer V. Can't forget to remove the tape, and I'm also going to be fixing a little bit because sometimes it doesn't always come out perfect, but that's okay, we can always fix it. I'll quickly be using a wipe just to fix my outer V and just clean up any fallout that I have. The next shade I'm going to be going into is called Diva, and basically with this shade I'm going to be focusing it on my lid, and I'm also going to be adding another color on top of it. So the shade that's going to be going on top of Diva is called Pool Party. I felt that it needed to be a bit more blue, so I went ahead and added that right on top of it. And basically now I'll just be going in back and forth between Enchanted and Pool Party just to make sure that they're blended seamlessly on my lid. And don't forget to wipe off your fallout. As for lashes, I'm going to be using Lilly lashes in the style Brooklyn. For primer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Poreless Putty Primer, the primer that broke the internet, and I genuinely do love this primer. I have heard mixed reviews about it, but I feel like it fills in my pores quite nicely. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 118. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Yensa Skin on Skin BC Concealer. It's a full coverage concealer, and I'm going to be using the color Light Neutral. For powder, I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics Translucent Powder. I know this is in every video of mine, but I truly, genuinely love this powder, and I have been trying to find one that I can use instead of this one and try out, but as of now, no luck. I'll be setting my face with the MAC Mineralize Skinfinish powder and just applying that anywhere else that I did not use the translucent powder. For highlight and contour, I'll be using the KVD Shade and Light palette, and I'll just be using this to contour my cheeks, my forehead, and my nose, and I'll also be using the banana shade color to just brighten up my under eyes a little bit more. I'm also going to clean up my contour because, you know, just to make it nice and sharp and a little bit more defined. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of powder under my eyes, translucent powder to be exact, because I will be finishing up my under eye makeup and just to catch any fallout so it doesn't stick to my face. Going back into the Jada color, I'm just going to be applying that to my lower lash line as close as possible and just smoking it out. Back into the shade Silk Cream, I'm just going to be using that right under the Jada color just to smoke it out a bit more. Don't forget to remove the powder and any fallout that you have. And for mascara, that's right, Revlon Volumazing mascara, just to add that onto my bottom lashes. I also did use this on my top lashes. I am going to tightline using the Urban Decay Cosmetics 24/7 Glide On Eyeliner Pencil. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the LoveCraft Beauty Bronzer in the shade Cymbeline. For blush, I am going to be using the brand Model Co. In the shade Peach Bellini. For highlighter, I'm going to be using Wander Beauty Glow Highlighter in the shade After Hours. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using Love of Color Liquid Shimmer Shadow in the color Stardust. And it's a beautiful, nice champagne color. For lips, I'm going to be using the Nars Cosmetic Velvet Lip Glide in the color Xenon, and it's like my lips but better color. I wanted to keep my lips really neutral since the eyes are pretty intense. The last step is using MAC Fix Plus just to set my face and make sure that it stays on the whole day or the whole night if you're going out at night using this makeup look. Now, cue the montage.
So guys, this is the final look right here. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications so you know whenever I upload a new video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye guys!